We end today a period of ill fortune and India discovers herself again. The achievement we celebrate today is but a step, an opening of opportunity, to the greater triumphs and achievements that await us. Are we brave enough and wise enough to grasp this opportunity and accept the challenge of the future? This is a quote by Jawaharlal Nehru. Republic Day in India is celebrated on January 26 every year. This year, the country will be celebrating its 72nd Republic Day on Tuesday, January 26. It's the day Constitution of India was adopted in 1950 after attaining independence on 15 August 1947. The Indian Constitution was drafted by B.R. Ambedkar, also known as the architect of the Indian Constitution. The 26th of January was chosen as the date for Republic Day because it was on this day in 1930 that the Declaration of Indian Independence was proclaimed by the Indian National Congress as opposed to the Dominion status that was offered by the Britishers. As the Indian laws were based on a modified version of the British establishment called the Government of India Act 1935. A drafting committee led by B.R. Ambedkar prepared a permanent constitution, which was submitted to the Constituent Assembly on 4 November 1947 and adopted on 26 November. However, it came into force on 26 January 1950. This day reminds us of our freedom struggle and how the great freedom fighters of our country sacrificed their lives to get us the Purn Swaraj. It's because of their struggle that today we are living in a democratic country where each citizen has the right to 1. Right to equality, 2. Right to freedom, 3. Right against exploitation, 4. Right to freedom of religion, 5. Cultural and educational rights, and 6. Right to constitutional remedies. Today is the day to reaffirm our commitment to unity in diversity, fraternity and equality among all our citizens. Republic Day's main celebration is held at the Rajpath in the national capital, New Delhi, before the President of India. On this day, ceremonious parades take place at the Rajpath, which are performed as a tribute to India, its unity in diversity and rich cultural heritage. Like, comment and share this video.